Hello everyone, welcome to Pandas. So in a previous session, as we move towards to the plotting, so I hope you people have remember that how we are working with the line plot, area and bar and plots. So I just quick do the revision on these three plots, then we move to the density, histogram, scatter, box and pie plot for the today's session. As we know that whatever the plotting we are doing, that will be moving towards to the .csv file, that is nothing but your database, or you can take as any real-time database. So that's your wish. You can take any inbuilt, like what is there, you can download and you can use this particular database. Or suppose you want to create a database, you can go with the series as well as the data frame to create a particular database. After that, with the help of line plots, we just go with the line plotting graphs where we can plot it with the help of the line. Now the next one is the area where we are going with the population of cities with the areas, and the last is bar where we are doing to trying to plot the things with the help of your bar. So this is the three plotting. This is line, area and bar. So today we'll be moving towards called the density or KDE plot. Basically, this is density or KDE plot is used to working with the principle of the density inside that. Like how we are doing the area the same way, we are taking the things where we are having a particular density with us. Density in that we are designing the KDE plots. In that you can use any plotting inside that, like you can use dots, you can use the bar. So that is your wish what you are doing with the density. You can go with the normal lines with that the density as well. So this is what your density or KDE plots. And then moving to the histogram plot now. So basically in a histogram plot, this is the plot where we can go with the things can be plotted using your plot.hist. So we use this hist method to do the histogram, and the things like how it will be, like you can take any database the same way. The histogram always will be like this is the one field, then he comes to this, then comes to the like your stair wise. So basically this histograms are be looking like a stair wise, and that is like how many datas you are taking, it will be giving you that look on that. So this is what the histogram plotting. So this is one of the ways of plotting. So remember that these plots are working with the database. You can use any plot, there is no restriction or the complexity, or there is no formality like you have to use line plot, area plot or bar and bar plot. So it's your wish. If you want to use a line plot for that particular database, you can use it. So if you use a histogram plot to see the different type of visualization, you can use this plot to go with the student.csv file. You can work on that. Let's move to the scatter plot. So if you use a scatter plots, what is happen? So whenever we use the scatter plot, we use that plot.scatter method. So each and everyone has a different methods. So like your line plots has a line method, area plots has a area method, bar has a bar method, kd or this is has your kd method. The same way the scatter has your scatter method. So with the help of method, it will be like dot types. Like this is we call scatter, means whatever the database we are taking, it will show is a dot wise. So this dot will be showing to your full screen, like this is your data to plot it. So in this it will be showing the dot. So this is called your scatter, means it gives you the full scatter look. So suppose I'm having a data in this particular area, so it shows in this particular area to scatter. Suppose I'm having nothing is there in this areas, we are having the data, so it will be giving the dots to that particular area to scatter. So this is the one another way to use the plotting, show the visualization with the help of scatter plot. Let's move to see the another two method, that is your box plot and a pie plot. So now let's understand the last two plot, that is your box plots and pie plot. Let's start with the first one, that is your box plot. So basically it is used to giving you the plotting in the box look, like it's look like a box. And here also we use the method called box methods. So and the same thing, the database, that's your wish, you can use .csv or you can design with the series or the data frame. And when you do the visualization of box plots, it representing the 5 trials of the trend observation. If you go with that, so suppose this is my the plotting area where I'm using it. student.csv file. So now whatever the student name, age, whatever is there, the plotting will be in a box way. So this is my plotting diagram. So this is my box way. They give the plotting story. So this is will be the first student name. The now the next will be the student address. So this is my the third address, and then we are moving to the another one, the age of the student. This will be the age. So this is what the box plot, and here we have a values like details of the students values, like each and every one the plots. So this is how the box plots is look like, as well as when you use the box plots it gives the this look. Now comes to the pie plot. So this is another method or another way of plotting to look like pie. How the normal pie. See, when they give the name was relevant to the look, and with the look they are putting up plot's name. If you observe from the starting plots, whatever the names are there, the plots look like the same. So pi means the pi will always the round circle, right? So the same way here also, when you do the plotting with the pie plot, it's give the things in the this way, and it will be just giving the different areas, like how much it will be for this one the students, this one is a good people, this one an average, this is a poor fail student. So this is how you can do the plotting with the pie plot. So this is the another way to do the plotting. So this is what are different plots and different method. Same as the pie plots, when you use the pie plots, we use a method called pie method. So each and every plotting has a different method, as well as different diagram, different plotting style. So keep in that mind, like style are there. See, the things are same. Like when you work with the same database, it will gives you the database in the same way. Just the plotting look will be different, and the how the visualization way of visualization will be different. So do the way of visualization, we are using those plotting in that way. So deeply we'll be learning in a matplotlib, like when we are doing with the another library called matplotlib, that time we are learning how the particularly it's used. So I hope at least in this you have an idea about the theoretical aspect of how to see that the line plots and all. Let's just move to the Jupyter notebook in the next session to understand that practical way, like how it's looking formally in a notebook directly. So that will be discussed in the next session. Thank you.